What's cooking, Conroe High? I'm Marco, and welcome to Cooking with Culinary, KTIG special cooking show, and happy Halloween. Please welcome our guest chefs, Aurelia and Guillermo, who will be teaching us a spooky recipe, scary face pie. So stay tuned to find out how to make it. So today, in honor of Halloween, you guys are doing a scary recipe. How exactly can viewers make this if they've never made a pie before?
Actually, I've never made a pie before.
Really?
Yeah.
Have you made a pie before?
Yeah, but you don't necessarily have to do everything from scratch, you know. So what we're doing today, we're using a pre-made jelly and pre-made pie crust.
Okay, well, let's get started then.
All right.
So what do we do first?
So what we're gonna do to start, we're gonna open this. So what you're gonna do is open it.
They look like breadsticks.
Okay.
They look like taquitos or burritos.
Struggling?
No, I got it.
Are you sure?
I got it.
All right.
Okay.
All right, now what?
So you're gonna unwrap it.
So like, just like it this.
Yeah. Yeah. All right.
Oh, look at that.
So we're gonna put
So
this
Oh.
perfectly centered. Make it perfectly centered and perfectly flush.
Okay. Yeah, no. Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah.
How's that?
Do better.
Do better?
All right. So while they're doing that,
Okay, you're
I'm
fine.
gonna unroll the second sheet of pie crust, and we're gonna use this to make the face. Make that more even. Make
How
it
do I
like
make it more
compressed
even?
to the sides.
Oh, like this?
You bumble clap. Like
Okay.
this.
How's that?
After this, you're gonna make little holes everywhere.
Okay.
With what? With our fingers?
Can we use your little knife?
Yeah, we can use
Little knife?
a little knife.
Sorry.
Let's,
Yeah, it's pretty little. Here, you got it now.
Okay.
I'll let you have some fun. Come on, put more passion into it. That's too much.
Okay.
So, cause there's a lot of excess around, we're just gonna take off most of the side. So if y'all can, just remove a good portion of like the outside.
That one's already pretty. I'm gonna start pouring the filling in the pan.
Ooh.
Actually, you can do it.
So I'm gonna start by making the face. It's gonna be a little bit tricky. Something like that.
Yeah, like. Oh. Don't be too passionate about it. Does that look cute?
Something.
Yeah, it's giving. It's giving like, I don't know, like grandpa.
Oh.
All right. So we got the eyes.
Okay.
What is that? It's a spooky, scary skeleton.
Oh, okay.
I'm scared.
You can honestly dump the whole thing. I used the whole thing.
Okay, here, you want to do it?
All right, just evenly spread that. It's
Trying to
okay.
show the pie.
Could I see that?
Look at
The
that.
box?
No.
Yeah, you can. It's pretty cool.
All right, are you done with the face?
No.
All right, what else are we gonna add to it?
So currently we're just waiting on the face.
Why does he have a big forehead?
What do you mean we weren't? What does that mean?
What do you mean he
What
has
does
a
that
big
mean?
forehead?
Cause you got
No, it
more dough.
doesn't.
Okay.
All right, so we need to make little bulges. Like for the cheeks.
Oh,
so
okay.
like roll them up and we're gonna apply them. We're gonna use this one for our face, our smiley face. And all right. You wanna make eyebrows?
Yes. Oh, do you wanna make an eyebrow?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Let's make an eyebrow. Is he spooky?
Bro's evil.
All right.
Ooh.
So making the teeth is gonna be a little bit annoying.
Bro got uneven eyebrows too.
Joe?
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 Yeah,
Like
Joe
this?
has uneven eyebrows. No,
Yeah.
bigger.
Huh.
sofrito. That's for the egg wash.
All right, I'm sure we're done.
So do y'all know how to make the egg wash?
So basically all we do for the egg white, or it's not, we basically just take the whole egg, smack it, crack it, you know, pop and lock it, you know, and we just beat it. We just beat it like that, yeah.
You want to do that right now?
That's how I had it.
And then
Marco
Can I crack
blew
the
it.
egg?
Yeah, go ahead.
all right.
You like ate that.
Yeah.
Oh, here.
I'm giving.
Are you? It's kind of giving. It's kind of giving.
Back.
So we're basically done with the face. All we have to do is slap it on the pie.
Okay.
All right.
All right, well, I just finished with the egg wash. Well, this is looking absolutely terrifying. Make sure to stay tuned to see what next in this recipe.
Have you heard of the roar?
Yeah, my friend wanted to be in it. I'm really disappointed in him.
Did you say your friend was in the roar?
No, wait. Why are you here? What were you doing in that trash can?
Not important. What is important is the roar. More specifically, the roar season finale.
What are you talking about? I don't even know you like that, bro.
I'm talking about the finals, where the finalists come together to determine who's the queen of the roar.
Cool. How can we attend?
You can get your wristband at the paw print store for $3, and you can attend during the school day in the auditorium on November 15th.
Really? I got the money right now. That sounds a lot of fun.
And it is, and the audience can vote who wins the roar. Be sure to buy your wristbands at the paw print store for $3, and I will see you on November 15th.
Look, he's not wearing his ID.
Where's his ID at?
He's finna get caught.
Whoa, young man. Where's your ID? You know you're supposed to have one, right?
I'm sorry, dude. I didn't know.
Come with me.
Welcome back. Now to finish up this recipe, what's left to do, Guillermo?
So we're just gonna put the pie face on top of the pie.
Everything here and then just.
You're right. No,
Okay.
it's all right. No, we're not doing that.
Okay. Hey, you kind of missed like an eyebrow.
Did I?
I don't know. Something fell.
Something fell. It's all right. Let's fix it. Let's fix it.
It looks stupid.
All right. Hold up. Gotta trust the process. All right.
It looks kind of scary, though.
Looks kind of scary.
Yeah, it really
Just a
does.
little bit?
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Really.
Just a little bit. All right. This one's gonna look a little funny.
Bro, I think we need to add eyes.
Yeah.
Like little pupils and stuff.
Wait, could I get some napkins?
No. Well, I'm gonna start making the little pupil thingamabobs for his eyeballs.
What? Like that?
We're gonna make little ribbons on the side. Wait, first of all, let's remove some of this
I bet.
extra dough. But don't make it bald,
Why?
because we need some of the dough. All right, we're almost done. Yeah, put Remy there. Remy's
can
doing
sit-
the majority of the work here,
Yeah.
obviously. Anyways. Oh,
Remy.
Why would you do that?
all right, almost done.
Okay.
So I think
That looks good.
we're
It's
pretty
giving
much.
Five Nights at Freddy's.
It's giving
It's
Five Nights
giving-
at Freddy's. All right. If you like to. Oh, okay, it's spilling.
Ooh.
All right. So we're about to bake this, and then after that, we're gonna plate and taste it.
This scary creation.
All right, let's go ahead and plate and taste the scary creation.
Set aside. All right. the dough. Look at that. All right. All right. This one looks more like a pie.
No, it doesn't.
I don't care.
Marco, you're just a hater.
Everybody's gonna get like a little piece. All right. I guess we're gonna just. Hey, that's pretty good.
That's pretty good. It is really messy. All right, anyways. What a great and easy recipe. Following this quick break is going to be a classic game with a horrifying consequence. Welcome back. To finish today's episode will be a classic game. Rock, paper, scissors to determine who will get the pie smashed in their face.
Oh,
All right, let's get started. All right, you first.
okay. Shoot. Bro!
Okay, now it's me and Guillermo.
Wait, what do you mean? She just.
Oh yeah, now it's me and Aurelie. You ready?
Oh, okay.
All right. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Bro!
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I think Aurelie lost.
No, I didn't.
I think I really lost.
Wait, so.
Don't you have to go together? Like, don't you have to, you know?
I mean, we'll go, but you already.
But yeah, you
lost
already.
both of
Yeah,
us.
we can go. All right, you ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay,
Alright.
see, he lost. He lost.
Okay, but you're.
Can we go again?
Okay, now us two again.
Okay, us.
All right, let's see.
Yeah! I didn't lose.
Okay.
He lost.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Damn. Okay. It is us
Okay.
too. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay. I got you there.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
That didn't count because
Rock.
no one
No,
saw.
yes it did. Yes it did. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Let's go.
Okay, I think it's Aurelie.
Yeah, it's Aurelie.
Oh my God.
Aurelie's getting pied in the face.
Alright. Alright.
Are you gonna use this
Are
one?
you ready?
No. Stop it. Stop it.
Alright, guys.
Help me.
Well,
Whoa.
Aurelie's the loser. So are you ready, Aurelie?
Are you ready?
All right, in 3, 2, 1. All right, well, that concludes today's episode. We hope everybody enjoyed the spooky mess and recipe. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next cooking episode. Have a great day, stay at chess, and remember, anybody can cook, even a rat.